So now let's move on to the step section. The step section is where you will probably end up spending the most time when it comes to adjusting the questions of your form. And this is where you want to think through the questions and responses in your form. The first thing to note is that all of the steps are listed out in this box here. To get from one step to the next, you can simply click on a step and it will load the step right on your screen. Now, all of the updates to the step happen on the left-hand side. So, for example, let's say we want to change the project type step. We'd click on that step, and then we can make the adjustments here on the left. So let's say we want to change this headline here, saying change it from what would you like done. We would click on question text, and we can type in what we'd like it to say. So let's change it to what type of project would you like to create? And then I click on saved to make sure that I've saved it. And as you can see, an update to the form happened in real time. Now, this isn't to scale, but this little box here represents what you'll end up most likely seeing on your website. So just like that, we updated the headline. Now the responses, the ones we see in blue here, are in these little cards down below. To edit, you'll click on the little pencil. And then that expands into some additional settings. So if you scroll down, you'll see here the response text. So if you wanted to change it from new website to something different, you can type that in here. You can also link it directly to a phone. So if somebody clicked on new website and you wanted it to link directly to a particular phone number, you could enter that here. Or you can also link to an external website where you would enter the URL here. An important thing to note is after you've made each of the responses, you'll want to click on Save Response. Another thing to note is the last thing here says Select a Target Step. This links it directly to the next step if somebody were to click on that response. So when you're looking to connect one step to the other, all you need to do is click on the target step and choose the step you want for your response to point to. This essentially allows you to build conditional logic into the form. After you've made any of your changes, you want to make sure you click on Save Response and Save Step. And that is the step section.